Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a passport size photo in Canva. But before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. Right, so from your Canva homepage, we're going to click to create a new design. So top left-hand corner, click on create. So to do a passport photo, we're going to have to click on the custom size. On the left-hand side, right at the bottom, you should see a tab that says custom size. We're going to click on there. So we need to add in the width and the height. So I already have that in. So for a standard passport photo, you want 35 width and 45 height, and that's in millimeters. When you've added that in, we're going to click on create a new design. So from here, we need to upload and add our photo. So we're going to upload from our computer. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to upload that photo. Click on upload files, and then I'm going to find the photo on my computer. And there we go. So I'm going to click on open, and that will be uploaded into my Canva account. Then I'm going to click on the photo to add it to my design. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on set image as background. So that looks pretty good for my passport photo. So I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to give it passport photo just so I know what it is when I download it onto my computer. And then I'm going to click to download it. So all I need to do is click on share, and then I'm going to click on download, and JPEG or PNG is best because this will make sure the image is of really good quality. So I'm going to keep on PNG, click on download, and my passport photo has been created. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.